Welcome back to Focus Tech. I'm glad you are here again. Today we are going to learn how to create page numbers with both numerals and normal numbers, and even with alphabets. So let's get started. As you can see, I've opened a sample of Microsoft Word. So this is a document. We are going to try and insert page numbers with page break. Okay. What we are going to do is we look at the pages that we want to have different numbers. So assume you want to have numeral numbers on page 1, then normal numbers on the page 2, and maybe alphabets on page 3. Because it's a learning, I just want to introduce you to about 3 of them. Then you can work on your own. Okay, so we come to page 1. You go to the last word on page 1, you click. Then you go to layout. Then you go to breaks. You click on breaks and you go to insert page break on the next page, which is next page. So you click on it. So we've inserted our first page break here. Then let's go to the next page. We want to insert our page break. So assuming we want to insert page break on this page, or let's assume we have I and II, so we want to insert page break here. What we do is we click at the last end of the last word, then go to page break again, then click on next page. Okay, so let's do this. We go to insert, go to page number. You can decide to set the page number at the top, at the bottom, at the margin, at the current position, but let's assume we want to insert it at the bottom. So we click on it. You see, it's inserted all right, but you should remember we want our page 1 to be I. So we go back to insert again, go to page numbers, then we come to format page number. You click on it, then you choose the normal format. You choose I and II, then you click on start. Okay, sorry, click on OK. Okay, so you can see we have I, then we have 2 here, because initially when we inserted the page number, it was in numbers, so we have 2 here. So what happens if we want to change our page number from 2 to 1? So we have I, then these 2 should start from 1. What we do is we click on the page. We want to change its numbers to starting from 1. Then we go back to insert, page number, format. So it's already 1, 2, 3. You come to start at, then you enter 1, which means the first one is I, but your next page shouldn't continue from there. So you start from 1. So you could see we have first page is I, then we start from what? Second page is 1, we have 2, we have 3. So assuming we want the last page to be a different page number, for learning sake, that's why I'm doing that. So we go to the last page, as we did. We go to last page, we come to layouts, then we go to breaks, then you go to next page. So which means we've inserted another page break. So now we want this page to be, let's say, A. So we go to insert page number, format page numbers, then we go to normal format. We choose alphabet ABC. Then where do you want it to start from? We want to start from A, so we enter A there. you can use the up and down arrow to increase it. So we want to start from A, so we start A here. If you want us to start from, this continues from the previous page, which means if it is 4, then it's going to be, A, B, C, D. D is 4. So if it is, you have the 4th page, this happens to be the 5th page, then it's going to be what? E. But if you don't want to continue from the next page, so we start at A. Okay, so let's have a look at our work. So you can see we have A here and we have 2, because 2 is another different page break, so we can delete it. We don't need it. We've deleted that page break, so we have 3 back. So basically that's how to go about it. You know how to insert the Roman numerals, you know how to say normal numbers, you know how to insert alphabetical page numbers, which hardly happens though. So thank you for coming back to Focus Tech. I know you've enjoyed our tutorials. See you in the next one.